अब अच्छी क्या याद करो इसे देखो चिक very good chick. Now write cloak. Very nice, excellent. Okay, now write again cloak. You can do, I know you can do. Clock. Clo. K. Very nice. You can do. Okay, it's okay. Write again. No need to cry. Clock. Very nice. Very good. Now write brick. What is this? Okay, read it. Bruck. And do you know what is this? What is this? Duh. And you are saying burr. Write brick. Very nice. Brick. Very nice. What ones are all done? Brick is done. Cloak, brick, and socks. And what did Mama told you? Socks, because they are in pair. Very nice. Okay, I have one more thing for you. Wait for it. Let me take it out. मम्मा की खजाने क्या yes this book I need first page पे मिल गया मुझे तो this is for you. You have to read these words. Come here, come to me. Come. Sit here.
Back.
Very nice. Next.
Brick.
Very good.
Chick.
Read with spellings.
Cook.
It's not cook.
Cock.
Cock.
Clock.
Very nice.
Board.
Don't look at the picture. Read with spellings.
Duck.
Very nice.
Duck. E.
Where is E?
Lick.
We lick a lollipop. And what is he licking?
Lollipop.
Is it lollipop?
Ice cream.
Okay.
Lock.
Very good. Can you please read words from here? Okay, try to read.
Pack.
Very good.
Rack.
Very good.
Track.
Very nice. It's the
Black.
black.
Crack.
Very nice. Quack.
Stack.
Very nice, Sabira. Very nice, mashallah. This one. Very nice, mashallah. Very good. Now read this. This one.
Nick.
Very good.
Pick.
Good job.
Sick.
Good.
Dick.
Good.
Lick.
Good.
Cleaned.
Say again. You can do.
Clock.
Clean.
Clean.
Read again. It's okay. You can do. K. Very good.
Click.
Nice. What is this word?
Click.
Very nice. Q. You say square. Ik. Quick.
Quick. Trick.
Very nice.
Dog.
Very nice. Shabash. Good job.
Block.
Very nice.
Flock.
Very nice. Good.
Bug.
Very nice.
Luck. Suck.
Very nice.
Duck.
Mashallah.
Star.
Yes.
Struck.
Very nice. And last words you will write here spellings of frog. Frog. Right? Frog.
Frog and
आते हैं? You can write. F. Let's try. CK. Frog.
ये छोटा सा.
Very good. Now write here nicely.
This is C.
Where is C? I can't find C. Okay, frog. Very nice. Well done. Mama is so happy with your lesson. Mama is so happy. Good job.